Hi, welcome back to the maths class. Now we are going to discuss factorization, and it's a special case of factorization. So, the previous classes we discussed how to factorize, and now we are going to move to an exercise 2.4, last bit, fifth bit, second question. So, and in the first question, we understood that if we rearrange the terms, we can collect the common terms and we can factorize it. But now we are going to discuss a question x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. If you rearrange in any way, it's not possible to get the factors. So what we are going to do, we are going to find out one factor of that one. So first of all, we should write p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. And we are applying 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. So when we applied minus 1, we understood that the total value becomes 0. It means minus 1 is the 0 of that polynomial. When minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, we understood that x plus 1 is a factor. That is the concept we understood. So whenever you get a question, if it is not possible to rearrange, you apply plus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2 like that. Just to get one value that we got here, minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. Then we understood that x plus 1 is a factor. Okay. And next process is take that x plus 1 and take the polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 divided by x plus 1. As the same process, we take x cube by x, that is x square. Then x square right here, x square into x cube, x square into 1, 1x square, that we have written. Then underline, change the sign. So after changing the sign, if same sign comes and get the same sign, that is minus 4x square. Then again you take, read this one also down, minus 9x down. Then take minus 4x square outside, x cancelled, then minus 4x, that you write on the top. Minus 4x into x, minus 4x square. Minus 4x into 1, minus 4x. Again, subtracting time, reverse the sign. So, minus 4 change as plus 4. After changing the sign, if both signs are different, subtract from bigger to smaller and keep the sign of bigger. That is minus 9 plus 4, minus 5x. Again, minus 5 you write down. Then take minus 5x outside divided by x. X get cancelled. And then we write minus 5 here. Minus 5 into x, minus 5x. Minus 5 into 1, minus 5. The remainder we got 0. So we understood that the quotient here we got x square minus 4x minus 5. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to split that one. X square minus 4x minus 5. And you know that one, take the middle term. Take the middle term, minus 4x. If you add, you have to get minus 4. If you multiply, you have to get minus 5. You understood that the numbers are minus 5 and plus 1. Minus 5 and plus 1. If you add, you have to get minus 4. If you multiply, you get minus 5. The numbers are minus 5 and plus 1. So we divide as minus 5x plus 1x, that is minus 4x. Okay. Now, in the place of that one, we are going to substitute that one. X square minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. We understood that here and here we divided like this. X is common, x of x minus 5 plus 1 of x minus 5. If there is no common factor, for the work to make easy, you take 1 or minus 1, depend upon the sign. Okay? And x of x minus 5 plus 1 of x minus 5. Then x minus 5 is common. Then if you take x minus 5 common, balance x plus 1. Then we understood the factors of this one are x minus 5, 1, x plus 1. The total factors are x plus 1, x minus 5 and x plus 1. So we write last x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 equal to factorize as x plus 1 into x minus 5 into x plus 1. Okay, this is the concept. When do we apply this like this? If it is not possible to rearrange, if it is possible to rearrange, you can rearrange it and again take the common terms outside. Okay.